In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and let me show you how to block a phone number on this phone. So first of all, you need to enter the dialer, tap on More icon and click on Settings. Here you will notice block numbers at the top of the list, so just mark it. And now you can either block all unknown and private callers by using this first switcher. You can block spam and spam calls right here. You can turn it on and off, and here you can also block spam and scam. Then manage it. Let me go back. And you can also add some number from recents, contacts, or add phone number manually. Just like this. And then whenever you'd like to remove some number from your blacklist, just tap on minus. And that's it. That's how you can manage call blocking on your device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.